Why is a protein called bodybuilding food? Protein is the raw material that acts as the building block of your body. Everything from your organs, muscle, skin, and hormones are built with protein. Protein also maintains and repairs tissue in your body. Specifically, because protein is crucial in building muscle and maintaining and repairing tissues in your body, it is an essential food for bodybuilding. The three amino acids that are involved in muscle building primarily are Valine, Leucine, and Isoleucine. These are called branched-chain amino acids. Valine helps stimulate muscle growth and regeneration, among other functions. Leucine plays a critical role in protein synthesis and muscle repair, among other functions. Isoleucine is predominantly concentrated in muscle tissue and helps with muscle metabolism, among other functions. Several protein supplements combine these three amino acids. They help to accelerate muscle growth and aids in bodybuilding. The optimal way of consuming protein is through whole plant foods, as against protein isolates. Medical professionals across the world recommend a balanced approach to consume quality protein with essential amino acids. Eat plant-based protein.